Excuse me, do you have the time, please?
Of course. It's 2:30 p.m.
2:30. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. Are you meeting someone?
Yes, I'm a little late for an appointment.
Oh dear. Hope you make it.
I'll hurry. Thanks again.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too.
Excuse me, I'm ready to order, please.
Of course, ma'am. What can I get for you?
I'll have the pasta primavera.
Excellent choice. And to drink?
Just a glass of water, please.
Right away. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Your order will be ready soon.
Great.
Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me, could you please help me with this suitcase?
Of course, sir. It looks quite heavy.
It really is. Thank you so much for your help.
No problem at all. Here, let me get that.
You're a lifesaver. I appreciate it.
My pleasure. Is it going onto a cart?
Yes, that would be great.
All right. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, Alex. How was your day?
Hi, Hannah. My day was good, thank you. And yours?
Mine was busy but productive.
That's great to hear.
What did you do today?
I had a few meetings, then worked on my project.
Sounds like a full day.
It was. Now, a break.
You deserve it.
Thanks.
Good morning, Olivia. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm doing well, thanks. Busy morning already?
A little. I have an early meeting.
Ah, good luck with that.
Thank you. I hope it goes quickly.
Me too. See you later.
Yes, see you.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Hello, I'm Leo, your new neighbor.
Nice to meet you, Leo. I'm Mia. Welcome to the building.
Thank you. It's nice to be here.
How are you settling in?
Very well, thank you. Still unpacking a bit.
Let me know if you need any help.
That's very kind. Maybe later.
Of course. See you around.
Bye, Mia.
Goodbye.